It's an honor to introduce you to our inspiring colleague, Stephanie Dopp. With patients at the center of her work, she and her patient access colleagues at Johnson Memorial Hospital demonstrate the power of teamwork and creating innovative solutions to deliver care that truly makes a difference.
Johnson Memorial Hospital, Stephanie speaking. How can I help you?
Stephanie Dopp, Patient Access Supervisor, Johnson Memorial Hospital. We're the first people that the patients and the visitors see as they're walking through the door. Not everybody enjoys coming to the hospitals. A lot of people are fearful. We're here to help, not judge.
So I was going to be in contact with Solomon.
So our goal is to make sure that, everybody is comfortable and that we put their mind at ease. Sometimes we'll sit bedside and have a conversation with a patient. We'll offer a warm blanket. That's our job. We will round, deliver flowers. Our staff cross covers and is trained in multiple areas. So for instance, the ED front is different than working in the ED back. And the switchboard is different than both of those.
We just do the best in here.
They're like family. I'm with them more than I am with my own family at home. And they're a great bunch of women. Really, truly are. I have people that have been here for over 30 years. Being an emergency room registrar, sitting at the front desk just inside the glass doors, we see a lot of things. So right away, we spring into action. We're, grabbing we have some like little small things, gauze and things like that. So we're grabbing those quickly while somebody else is calling to the back to let them know. And we don't have to do that. We can call to the back and just say, can someone come out rather quickly? So there's just things like that. It's all hands on deck all the time. Doesn't matter if it's a downtime where we're, gathering manual information and hand walking charts back to the clinical staff, or we're helping them fill their cabinets with linens. It's everything. Wiping down beds. Whatever needs to be done, that's what we do. We live in a very small community here. We're up on a mountain here. A lot of people rely on us, and I think that it doesn't only just drive me, it drives other people to do the best that they can to make sure those people have what they need. I truly do love my job, and everything I do makes me want to get myself involved in even more things. Johnson Children's Christmas Party is a sponsored event by the Johnson physicians. They actually pay for the entire thing. It's run by volunteers, so we all, count me in. So this is all coming together due to a team effort. So the children that come are the children of colleagues. So this year is going to be a big one. I'm so excited for it. From the last 2 years were COVID years. We still had it. It was a drive-through. We made the best of, a really bad situation being in a pandemic, but it was still fabulous. So this year will be fantastic. I'm really excited.
Thank you for taking the time to watch. Please take a moment to reflect on a few questions. How do you and your team create solutions? And how do you put excellent teamwork into practice? We hope Stephanie's example will continue to inspire us all as we serve together in the spirit of the gospel.